going on? There's no way he would never. Because, all the walls are falling, even Walmaria! But he doesn't need that many Titans to attack Marley! This is complete overkill! Just the wall around Shiganshina would be more than enough! He has no reason to give up the walls completely! Not if the plan is to just knock out the Global Alliance in Marley! So why do this? What can he be—
Hear me, subjects of Ymir. My name is Eren Yeager. I'm addressing my fellow subjects of Ymir, speaking to you directly through the power of the Founder. All the walls on the island of